Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Education Plus Arena. In last video we saw about HTML headings, HTML paragraphs and HTML links. In this video we will discuss about HTML image, HTML buttons and HTML lists. We will see about how to add image, how to add buttons and how to add list in your HTML page. So the first topic is HTML image. So HTML images are defined with image tag, that is img tag. It contains attributes like source, alt, width and height. The source attribute holds the address of the image. The alt attribute contains the alternative text. For example, if the image did not load for some reason, then at the place of image whatever the alternative text had written, that only will appear with a broken image icon. The width and height attributes defines the size of the image. You can increase or decrease the size of the image by using width and height attribute. So let's do an example. So in the body section after anchor tag, I'm writing an image tag with source, alt, width and height attribute. In source attribute, I will write the address of the image with /imagename.image type, that is PNG type or JPG type or JPEG type. So I have an image in my file. The location of the image is this and the name of the image is nav and the type of the image is PNG type. So I'll copy this location and paste in source attributes value. So now I'm going to paste the location of the image in the source attributes value. So this is the location of my image. After that, give /imagename.image type. So my image name was nav and my image type was PNG type. So I'll give nav.png. Now I'll give my alternative text as sidebar and height and width as 100 into 100. Now I'll save the code and open in Chrome. So after refresh, you can see the image clearly, but it's too small. So I'll change the width and height value. Now I'll give the width value as 500 and height as 250. Now I'm saving the file. After refresh, you can see the image clearly. It is bigger than previously. So I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Now the next concept is HTML buttons. So HTML buttons are defined with button tag. So let's do an example. So first I'm removing the image tag and now I'm writing a button tag. Inside the button tag, I'm writing my content click me. So this click me only will appear like a clickable button. Now I'm saving and open in Chrome. So after refresh, you can see the button easily. Click me is a button. Now I'll show you something. I'll make this link to a clickable button. So I'll add button tag in the anchor tag. So starting button tag and now end the button tag. Now I'm saving the code and after refresh, the side navigation bar turned into a button. After clicking on this page will open because we have given the link of this page into href attribute. Now the next concept is HTML lists. So HTML lists are defined with UL tag, that is unordered list, or OL tag, that is ordered list, followed by a list tag, that is li tag. UL tag means unordered list or bullet list. For example, you can see these all items are written in bullet points. It is written as point wise, not number wise. So this is unordered list. OL tag means ordered list or numbered list. So you can see these all items are written as number wise. So this is called ordered list. So let's do an example. Now I'm writing a UL tag. Inside the UL tag I'm writing a list li tag and I'm giving the name as T and the second list is Maggie and close the list, and the third list I am giving milk. Now I am closing the UL tag. Now I will save the code and open in Chrome. So after refresh, you can see the output. These all items are in bullet or unordered list. Now I'll write the code for ordered list also. So I'll copy this and I'll paste here only. So I'll change the UL to OL. So OL open and OL close. So now I'm writing a heading. This is an ordered list. Now I'm saving the code and after refresh, you can see the list. These all are numbered list or ordered list. So I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.